Achoo!
Did you just say achoo?
No, I just sneezed.
Yeah, but when you sneeze, you said achoo.
No, it was just a normal sneeze.
Normal? You sound like a cartoon character when you sneeze. You know, you don't have to say ah and chew. You can just sneeze.
It's just what sneezes sound like. Everybody says that.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. I mean, it's what you say when you sneeze.
What you say? You're not speaking, you're sneezing. There's no words involved.
Yeah, there's, you know, the one. Chew.
No, nobody says that.
Yeah, sure they do. I mean, I hear it all the time.
I've never heard that. It's pretty odd.
Okay, then. What would you like me to say when I sneeze?
Last time, it's an involuntary bodily function that makes a sound. There are no words involved.
Fine.
And it's dusty down here.
Yeah, why do you think I was sneezing?
A sneeze!
Seriously, dude? Asshole.